In this recording, I'm going to show you how to upload an assignment to Canvas. There may be an upload link within your task list, or there may be an upload link on your calendar. You're going to click the upload link. Oops. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload one of your documents to Canvas. You might have an upload link within your science task list or math task list. You might have it over here in the calendar. You're going to click on that upload link. You're going to click on Submit Assignment. And then you're going to go down here. You're going to click on Office 365 over here. And then unfortunately I can't show you the rest of this because the recording tool doesn't work if I log in as a student and I don't have access if I'm showing you a student account here. But here, Office 365, you would go in and click on your OneDrive folders, and then you would say Submit, and then there's going to be another Submit button at the top and at the bottom, and you just keep submitting until you can't click any more Submit buttons. And that's it.